Hey, it's me, Lisa. No, sit up. Get up. It's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. This is Lolly, and today we're going to make a video about one of our favorite snacks. These are baby carrots. They may not seem that exciting to you, but Lolly loves them. Do you love these, Lolly? Do you want to talk about baby carrots? Look at the camera. All right, we're going to do a taste test. Okay, I'm going to take a bite, and then I'm going to share it with Lolly. These are very healthy. They're loaded with vitamins. I'm going to bite the other side. They're good for you. They're sweet and yummy. Lolly, you want this? Show the people how you chew like a lady. They're yummy. We love baby carrots, and you will too. So next time you're at the supermarket, don't just walk by the produce aisle. Stop and grab a bag of baby carrots. You will not regret it. I am Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and this is Lolly. Till next time, do the right thing. Good job.